Hello, I'm actually working on a project and I thought this may be of benefit to someone working on his project. I'm trying to justify it with the text I copied online because I gathered the sources online and I pasted them here on my Microsoft Word document. So when I try to justify them, which is Control J, right, you can see there is a spacing. This word training is far from the word and, testing, and data. Now, why is that? When copying a text from online sources to Microsoft Word, sometimes the text one copy, right, may contain hidden formatting code or style that may kind of interfere with the formatting word. There are various steps to tackle this, but one has to go to follow some due step before doing so, which really so many people are really finding it difficult to do. The font style, the size, and the spacing used in online may not actually perfectly be compatible with those in Microsoft Word. And I think that's what is actually leading to difference in layout and spacing. Is that understood? So we are going to try to resolve this spacing issue in your document after pasting from online. You can try this simple step which I'm about to show you. We'll go directly to your file. The file is located somewhere here by your left. You click file, then you come down to your option. Your option is also located down here. You go to your option, click to your option. Now you go to your advanced settings. Have you seen the advanced settings? Click the advanced settings. Now you drag this down. You use your drag down button. You drag it down, 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 and down, almost to the last step, right? I think we are there. Now you come to this part where it shows don't expand character spaces online that ends with what? Shift concatenate return or shift plus return. Is that understood? Then you click OK. Now let's try to justify them. Control J, Control J. You can see they are all in a straight line. And when you notice yourself, when we follow that step, it automatically fixes itself even without me pressing Control J. Like now for this part we can come, okay, Control J. Control J actually means justify, is a shortcut for the word justify. That is what Control J meant. So that's basically it. Thank you for your time. Do have a nice day.